Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the saved draft of the reel that you've created on Instagram. So for instance, you want to create a reel, so I'm just going to select create reels right here. So plus button, create a reel. And I'm just going to use a video that I just made like so. Select add and then select next. Select next again, and as you can see there is a save draft. Do that. And this is where you can find it. You can find it in the Reels sort of page, and as you can see there is a draft section. So select it and select it again, and then you can then share it, post it. And that's pretty much where you can find the drafts that you've saved of your Instagram Reels. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!